Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to use the multiple desktop on Windows 11. So if you are using the multitask on your Windows and want to separate windows on it, so I will show you how to do that. Let me open some of the tasks here. Okay, let's say you are making a video on one desktop and you are browsing on another desktop. So how to create it? You need to click on this option here, and once you click on this option you might get this kind of windows here. I have opened multiple windows so that I can show you the options. You can see here desktop 1. So let's create this Google Chrome, and in the Google you can directly drag and drop the Google Chrome desktop here like this. Now you can see when I click on this option, Google Chrome is opened on this tab. But if you want to open this PDF file in another desktop, so click on this option and let's create this as docs. Now once you create that, just again click on the same option here and simply drag and drop these document to docs 1. And once you open the desktop 2, you should able to see these docs here. And if you want to open the another desktop which you have the Google Chrome, you should able to see the Google Chrome here. Apart from that, let's create the third document, that is the video. So this one, let's type this video editing, and now simply you need to you can drag and drop this video editing one to here, and once you open that you should able to see your. So its benefit is that these are the virtual desktops and you can use them separately, and you can see here our option. And if you want to make a fresh desktop here, you can create it desktop 4, and there is no opening of that. So this is a feature of this multiple desktops. So you can create a multiple desktop here. Let's say you want to create it also, let's drag it. Oh, since it is already open here, so it's gone to video editing, not with the open task. Now let's try to drag it to desktop 4, and it should dragged. And this one also, it's open already, so I can select that option, and thereafter you should able to drag and drop here. So this is a feature guys, you can use the multiple desktop on your Windows 11. I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.